We never documented our first van build, so this time we are.
What do you think?
We're building out another van. Well, sort of.
Yeah, I got a client that wants me to build their van out. It's going to go around the country showing golden retrievers. So it's a little different than what we got going on, but some stuff's going to be the same. So we're going to take you along.
Show you all the little behind the scenes things that we didn't show you before.
Yeah, we didn't film building ours. We wish we did. So we're going to film building this one, and then maybe the next one will be ours again, I hope.
Yay.
All right, let me show you what we're going to do in this bad boy. So this thing is super nice. It's already got these nice floors in it. She already insulated some of the walls, and we're going to do some more insulation. We're going to do the ceiling. We're going to do a max vent fan. We're going to do an AC. We're going to do lights off the back. We're going to do lights off the front. We're going to build a bench. We're going to put 5 golden retrievers in here.
5.
So we're going to build a bench. We'll have 3 here, 2 here. We're going to do some storage stuff, a bench top, tie-down system.
Lots of cool things. Way different than our camper van build, but you'll want to stick around because this is going to be exciting. It's just so unique and different. So we're excited for the outcome.
And what lady doesn't want to travel around the country with 5 golden retrievers?
Yeah, so if you like traveling, golden retrievers, dogs, vans, please subscribe, hit that button, and stay tuned for videos to come. Don't worry, we're still going to be filming lots of cabin stuff, but we've always got a little something going on the side.
This is the week project. Cabin stuff's the weekend project.
Yep, so stick around for all of it.
Alright, so the first thing off the list is we're going to do the MaxxAir fan. We already got it. We're going to cut a hole in the roof, mount that, wire it up. Number 1. Let's do it.
Cutting a hole in a brand new van sounds pretty scary.
Yeah, luckily it's not my van. So I still feel bad and, don't want to mess the paint up, don't want to do anything wrong, but I've already cut a bunch of holes in our van, so that kind of took the jitters out. Plus, I cut holes and stuff all the time, so what's the worst that could happen?
And we've been after building out our van, we've always been interested in building out someone else's, so it's pretty cool to be doing it for a different concept.
Yeah, I've always, thrown the idea about building vans would be kind of cool.
Yeah.
So here's number 1.
Right.
You could be number 2.
You could be number 2.
Who does number 2 work for?
But we're going to get after the MaxxAir fan.
Yeah, that's tonight's project, so let's get after it. We're going to cut a hole in this ceiling of this brand new van. Better get it right the first time. Okay, we got our spot decided where we're going to cut this hole for the max vent fan. It's right here because we're going to have some windows in the back that will open up, and then it'll suck the air through there to get to here, so it'll travel through the van more than if we had this further back. I'm gonna cut this from down bottom, which kind of stinks because all the metal stuff will fall on me, but there's no rack or anything on the roof, so I don't want to stand on the roof or anything like that. I have a ladder, but I don't want to be up there. I gotta be perfect cutting this, so I'll just do it from under here. If you did want to try to cut it from the roof and you have it all marked out inside, I could drill a hole, like a small 1/8-inch hole at each corner from the bottom, and then go up top, connect all the holes, and you have your outline. But I'm going to cut it from down here. I'm going to start with a 4.5-inch grinder, do 1 slice with that. Maybe I'll do that slice in the middle, or not right on the edge, a little bit away. Because when you cut it with the 4.5-inch grinder, it makes heat and it burns the paint, and it'll chip the paint. So I don't want to do that right in the edge because I want to keep all this paint, nice. I mean, it's not going to make a big difference. We're going to slice with a grinder. That way I can fit a jigsaw with a metal blade in it. And then I can cut this out with the metal blade and the jigsaw, and it won't make as much heat and it doesn't burn the paint, so that'll stay all nice. We'll go around, we'll put primer on the cut edge, put some paint on it, and then drop the fan in, silicone the base. since I'm going to be shooting some sparks around in here, one, I'm going to shoot them out the back door. The doors were all open, but I wanted to cover up the front. It's got, it's brand new. It's got 1,000 miles on it. I don't want to mess anything up, so I got this bed sheet all covering that up nice, so don't have to worry about anything over there. But let's start cutting. Okay, I got the jigsaw, the metal blade. Gonna start cutting that outside line now. No blood left in my arms. Almost there though. Getting pretty flimsy. No going back now. Okay, this is like what the fan will bolt to, and this bolts to the roof. So it goes in like, sits in like that from the top, and these bolt holes go into the fan. So you want those on the sides, not the front to back, the sides. This will get siliconed and bolted down, and then that rooftop gets bolted to that. Here's my helper. Look at her cute little pants. Whoa, easy, that's a different channel. Alright, so this is the bottom, which is going to be on top of the roof of the van. So you want to silicone this bottom. This is this 3M window weld. This stuff is what you glue like your windshield in. Super weatherproof, works freaking awesome. Expensive, but worth it.
Ta-da! Oh. Almost.
Oh, should we get... Milwaukee makes a battery operated one of these.
Really?
Yeah, how come I don't own that?
I'm surprised you don't.
If Milwaukee would sponsor me...
Good luck with that.
Yeah, we could. I'm gonna do 2 seams, 2 rings.
Do you?
I'm gonna... It's better to be waterproof than not waterproof. So... Putting this in here.
Don't mess it up.
I know. Isn't that what Eminem says? You only got one chance, one opportunity. Is that what he says? I don't know. I think that's how it goes. Nice.
Nice.
So I'll get my little ladder. Now.
Is that a little
I
one?
have a little ladder somewhere. To me.
Oh, yeah.
Fit in there. Smoke carton. Alright, so this thing comes with self-tapping screws, but this is so paper thin. I think that's a horrible idea. So I bought machine screws with washers and nuts and lock washers, so it'll be a lot better and sturdier. There's all the holes in the thing. I think there's 16 of them. I'm going to drill those out, and then I got my trusty helper to hold the bottom while I hold the top. Oh, I got it on me.
Am I the trusty helper? Because I have a cute outfit on.
Oh, yeah, you are the cute helper.
That's not what I said. Oh gosh, you almost went through your arm.
That's why you got 2 of them. So I drilled out all the holes for the screws to hold that in. And I did 2 strips on that piece, the piece that goes in around on it. But I'm also going to do a strip around on the metal because there's a divot here and it could possibly have water that way. You know what I mean? I just wanted to make it weatherproof 100%. So I'm gonna glue this, make it extra glue, you know.
Extra gluey.
Extra gluey. So now I'm using these machine screws to bolt this down, kind of. Instead of using self-tappers. Self-tappers aren't really reliable, you know, so.
You got it all under your armpit.
Great. At least that will never come off.
Cool.
Okay, got all the screws in, all the silicone in, washers, lock washers, nuts. Now we're just gonna go around and tighten them up. It's just plastic, so not much. So I'm just going around smoothing out the edges so it's a good waterproof seal, because I want it to be perfect. I don't want it to leak. Okay, so we got the mounting bracket all in, silicone, really nice, bolted in really nice. Let that dry. That's pretty quick, half hour or whatever, it'll be ready to rock and roll. So once that's all dry, we can put the top unit on, then the electrical wire so that fan will hang down. You gotta wire that up, and then this this inner piece here goes in and slides into this. We'll cover all these marks that I did. Goes in, but it's like 5 inches deep, depending on how thick your ceiling is. So you got to cut it. So I don't want to cut that yet because I don't know what the ceiling height is yet. We have it, just haven't done it yet. So let this dry. We'll have dinner.
I gotta make it first.
Okay, it's going in. I'm getting caught on this piece.
Hmm? Oh, it's caught.
It's not dropping in enough.
Why?
Oh, I see. I think.
Oh, there you go. It's through now.
Got it. It was just, you had to push the plastic in a little bit so it would seat in nice. So there's a gasket on that piece too. So that seats in there. I lift this up and the screws are underneath this. Was I electric? I think this thing's electric, open and close. You hear the motor turning.
Oh, ours is a manual.
Yeah, I know that.
We get the dated version.
Yeah, this is nice.
You know what that means?
Upgrades?
New van upgrades.
Is this fan going to end up costing me money because we're like, oh, this is nice, we should upgrade to this. Oh, I like this. This is so nice. Oh, our van's so old. We need a new van.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, that's it for the outside install. Once you get this base cover in and all siliconed up nice, then this piece slides in from the top down and there's a gasket that goes around. It's already comes in it. Gasket in it, and then you put 1, 2, and there's 2 more on the other side. Those 4 stainless steel screws in, and this piece is secure. And then we gotta go in and wire it, and when we get the seal in, we'll put the finished trim up, but we don't have that yet today. So for tonight, the hole's cut in, it's silicone, it's weatherproof. You could take it, leave it outside, it wouldn't be a big deal. Let's pull the wrapping paper off.